You know what time it is. It's unboxing time. It's unboxing time. Let's go. But before we begin, meron muna akong important announcement para sa inyong lahat. I'm officially back!
Oh, hell no.
And without any further ado, mag-unbox na tayo. Let's get it. This first item, nabili ko lang to sa isang walk-in store named NCAT. It really looks like it came from a K-pop store. So, open ko na. Well, obviously, alam ko na rin yung item kasi binili ko nga to sa isang walk-in store. Specifically sa Trinoma. NCAT Trinoma. Go check it out. And yung binili kong item is payong. Twice payong. Not just any payong. It's a Twice umbrella. ASMR muna. Ang cute rin ng bag ng payong. Oh, I really like the quality. Hindi siya yung low quality na payong na alam mong ang flimsy, ang nipes. Ito may pagkakapal. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Ang kapal niya. So, ito yung payong. Buksan natin. Three, two. As you can see, makikita niyo dito yung logo ng Twice. There. Twice logo. Yan. Diba? Kapag umuulan.
Too much raining.
Kapag mainit. Mainit! Ito yung go-to payong na dapat meron kayo. Meron ako. Again, the Twice umbrella. Very cool. I like rin the color. So, next item. Okay. It's a big one. Ito naman, I bought this from an online store, the Shopee.
Shopee?
Okay. Open na natin. Now, if you're wondering kung ano itong package na binili ko, it's also Twice, but this is Twice stuffed toy, or kung familiar kayo sa stuffed toy nila na Lovely, pinurchase ko lahat ng Twice members. So let's check this out. Box in a box. Open another one. Whoa! Spoil ko yung laman. Mga plushy toys. Ang cute! Okay, but before I show the Lovelies, explain ko muna kung ano sila at kung ano yung nire-represent nila sa Twice. So, Lovelies are like the plushy toys. Nag-introduce lang sila sa music video na BBZ. So, sila yung mga parang miniatures or mga toys ng Twice na nag-showcase ng personality nila. And, akala ko nga para silang Teletubbies eh. Mukha silang Teletubbies. But, ito yung kanilang sure. So, this is I think si Savly, si Sana. Based sa favorite color nila. Sana is purple. So this is Savly. We got one. Next is this yellow. Di pa ako sure pero mamaya sasabihin ko kung sino yan. Oh, kilala ko to. It's color white. This is Davli or si Dayun. Lovely. Green. This is Jonghyun. This is Jonghyun. Pretty Jonghyun. I think kilala ko na kung sino na dito sa orange. I remember. This is Gia or Ghibli. Next. This is my baby. Mina. Yung nunal niya, ito yung trademark niya eh, di ba? Mina or Mivli. Next. Pink. Of course, si Momo. Mowgli. Momo. Red. Chaeyoung or Changgi. Yan, si Changgi. And then lastly, the youngest member, Chubli. Color blue. Yeah. Chubli. So again, I'll repeat them. Starting from Nayeon, kasi siya yung eldest. Wait. Di ko pa pala namumuksa si Nayeon.
Stupid.
Nasa box pa siya, so... This is Nayeon. Hinanap ko eh. Ito nga rin yung trademark ni Nayeon. Yung kanyang iconic bunny tooth. Diba? Ang cute, ang cute, ang cute, ang cute. Ayan. There are now 9. So let's start from Nayeon, Jonghyun, Momo, Sana, Gio, Mina, Dayun, Chaeyoung, and Chewy. Eto sila lahat. Kinicarry ko ngayon ang aking mga babies. Ipaglalagyan to, ilalagay ko to sa aking desk. Okay? So, yeah. There are the Twice Lovelies. Alright, next item. Oh, wait. May freebies. May freebies dun sa mga plushies. Let's check it. Malit lang na pouch. Ay, wow. Meron tayong keychain ng Lovelies. And then, meron din free photo cards. Thank you, Shopee.
Salamat, Shopee!
Okay, we got Jonghyun, Chewy, Ina, Nayeon, of course, it's Nayeon, Momo with the bangs, Dayun, Chaeyoung, and Gio, Sana. Wow, kompleto. Thank you sa freebies. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Okay, last item. It says no video, no return, no refund. Well, lucky for me, pag unboxing time, alam mo nang binivideo ko yan and in-upload ko sa aking channel. This is parang photo book ng Twice TV sa Switzerland. I think it's season 5. Tanggal na yung wrapper. Okay, open. And then another wrapped box. Para safe ang packaging natin, diba? Unbox ulit. Okay, nakikita ko ng item natin. Before I show it to you, pakita ko sa'yo kung gaano kalaki yung tinutukoy ko na photo book look. Parang thesis book eh. Ayan, bubuksan ko na. Told you. Twice in Switzerland. Ang bigat. Buksan ulit natin. See. I remember watching this series. Tinapos ko yung Twice TV. Season 5 in Switzerland. So, let's open. Amoy lumang libro. Very, very beautifully scented. Meron siyang bookmark or stamp. I think it's a stamp. Twice logo. Twice in Switzerland. Okay. That's the cover. Ito na yung the actual photo book. Whoa! Ito yung front page. So, I'll tell you the story. 8 lang sila dito. So, wala dyan si Gio. Kasi, Gio was sick. May sakit siya or parang nasa hospital siya to treat her illness. So, ayan. 8 lang sila. Like, the sweetest thing din dito. Habang nagpapasyal sila, nagpi-picture taking, di ba? Nagbabanding, nagpi-FaceTime pa rin sila with Gio. They are really like family, di ba? Twice is okay. There are really a lot of pages. Hindi ko na to isa-isayin pa. Baka maghanap lang ako ng highlights. Or actually maghanap lang ako ng highlights. May nakita na ako sa middle part. The actual picture of the likod. That's the picture. I like it. May paglalagyan to, of course. It's in my collection. Okay. Kita ko lang yung simulang pages. Traveling day. Okay, mga cities na pinunta nila. Okay, seeing the pictures. Ang dami talaga. I think mag-share na lang ako ng isang favorite kong moment dito. Ito may naalala ko moment dito. Sa mountain na pinunta nila. Meron kasi dong movie actor, si James Bond. Yung scene kasi na yon, pinanggamitan ng movie ni James Bond doon sa parang Icy Mountain nga. Nakita ni Diane and ni Saida.
역시 사이다죠.
Kinanta nila yung theme song ng Mission Impossible. Eh si James Bond yun. Tapos Mission Impossible yung inanta nila. Well, it's really cute. I think parang nakiki-get along na lang din sila. Kasi nga, parang relatable nga din yung both the movies. Ayun. Hanap ako na isa. Last one. Okay, eto. I remember this one. Pinunta nila yung parang house ni Charlie Chaplin. Ito yung kanyang museum. And pinunta na twice. Sumayaw din sila doon. Kumanta. They really had fun. And yeah. I-wrap up ko na yun. Pwede nyo rin to hiramin sa akin. Itatago ko na lang din to. Maybe check them, diba? To feel inspired, feel motivated din. Twice you. Before I end the video, mag-share pa ako ng aking mga Twice collection. Okay. Nakapack na. Tago na natin to. Twice and Switzerland. Ayun. Kung i-share ko lang din sa inyo yung collection ko so far. Real quick. Meron pa akong isang Twice TV. This is season 3. Sa Jeju Island sila pumunta. Photobook din siya at may CD. Ito yung picture included, si Nina. This is my favorite picture sa buong collection ko. Okay, the next is Twice Coaster Lane 1 album. Lane 2 Twice Coaster Lane 2 album din. What is Love album. And lastly, Eyes Wide Open album. So yeah, aking Twice collection. And then lastly, one of my purchase sa concert. This is a Mina fan. Ayun, before I end the video, alam mo na yung gagawin ko dito. Alam niyo na, rather, yung gagawin ko dito. We're going to play a guitar cover. A really popular song din. And nagustuhan ko dito yung guitar riff niya. One Spark Baby. Let's go!